picture of the poo. It's just down the little path there. But I'll pretend I'm picking it up over here. Yes, sir. There we go. Where's Angus? Oh, there's Angus.
That's about it. Just beware. Your dog is so important, and he's your friend, and he depends totally on you for his own safety.